Do you know these 10 rainy season words? Let's find out. Let's start. Rain. Rain means water falling from the sky. I love the sound of rain. Umbrella. Umbrella protects us from rain. Don't forget your umbrella. Puddle. Puddle means water collected on the ground. Kids are jumping in the puddles. Drizzle. Drizzle means light rain. It's just a drizzle, not heavy rain. Thunder. Thunder is the loud sound during storms. The thunder was very loud. Lightning. Lightning is the flash in the sky during rain. I saw lightning in the sky. Raincoat. A raincoat keeps us dry. I wore my raincoat and went outside. Wet. Wet means something has water on it. My shoes got wet in the rain. Clouds. Clouds bring rain. Look at those dark clouds. Flood. Flood means too much water everywhere. The streets are flooded today. These are 10 rainy season words. These words are simple and useful during monsoon time. If you are also learning English, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will keep learning together. Thanks for watching. See you soon.